就交给警察弄了的，可能我说的西路呢，说的也到的路被蒙知道，也到西路可能过来说的这么那个哇。
เรายึดถือเสมอว่าท่านในพลมาเปาเป็นบุคคลสำคัญบุคคลหนึ่งที่มีส่วนร่วมในการรักษาเสรีภาพและเอกราชและก็ระบอบประชาธิปไตยของประเทศไทยมาจนตราบจนทุกวันนี้
He wants peace and respect among people, and he wants the Hmong to do as well as they possibly can, get educated, and live as Americans, respecting one another. Tell your children what a great man he was, and remember him.
The Honorable Pratnya Norapramuk, General Vang Pao, with the approval of the San Joaquin County Fairgrounds Board of Directors, Lao Family Community Empowerment Inc., and the Central Valley Hmong community is committed to build a monument honoring the late Hmong leader, General Vang Pao, inside the San Joaquin County Fairgrounds in Stockton, Central California. This monument is a dedication to General Vang Pao's leadership, legacy, and contributions. This project is a joint effort of the Hmong community, the Lao Family Community Empowerment Inc., and the San Joaquin County Fairgrounds, and it will be managed by the Central California GVP Monument Projects Committee. The overall projection cost for this project is estimated at $250,000. The Honorable Pratnya Norapramuk, General Vang Pao, was the father of the Hmong people. His extraordinary journey changed the destiny of the Hmong people. His legendary deeds will continue to inspire his Hmong people for generations to come.
He
was a successful Hmong French ally. He was a legendary Hmong Laotian general. He was a loyal Hmong American war hero and citizen. But in his most unique role, he was the one and only leader of the Hmong people after their beloved country of Laos fell to communism and they were scattered to four corners of the world. His whole life was guided by his pride and belief, and to ensure a safety home for his Hmong people and lead them to a brighter future. Although he is gone, his legacy is strong and firmly anchored in all those who knew him or will know him. Whichever new mountain they climb, whichever new cloud they fly to, it will come to be because he made the first step, starting the journey, and he mastered the first wind lifting his people up into the never-ending sky. May he rest in peace in the great beyond, and may he always watch over us from above.
On each one of these sides be talking about his history, the timeline, and what his life was about. And for the granite base, each of the four sides would have a bronze relief sculpture, and I don't know if you're familiar with bronze, but it's very
Pratnya Norapramuk, General Vang Pao.
bỏ chỉ nhỏ rồi nó cho mong yêu sao lý cha tình chia tu tư lo dễ muộn trong cho mà đi bao giờ tia pe mong cho ta li nó khu si yêu lo wa bỏ khu si mong tu thế cho sa coi như lo và bỏ chỉ cho ta tua mong vì do chỉ mùa tu tha mong vì do chỉ mùa tu cho thì nhỏ chỉ một cha nhỏ chỉ một chữ khe cho khó tư lần du lần tia chỉ tao chơi nhau